What if I told you that by the time you finish this video, you could already have your first side hustle idea picked out, ready to start from your living room, and it might just earn you more than your 9 to 5? You see, millions of Americans are sitting on gold mines without even realizing it. And yet, most don't start because they think it's too hard, too risky, or just impossible to do from home. But what if it's not? Stick around, because one of these side hustles might just change everything for you. And the last one, well, let's just say it's the kind of idea people never see coming. Number 1. Virtual assistant magic. Ever wonder how busy business owners keep up with emails, scheduling, and customer support? Here's the secret. They don't. They pay people like you to handle it for them, and you can do it all from your couch. Being a virtual assistant means offering help with admin tasks, things like answering emails, booking meetings, managing social media accounts. You only need a computer, internet, and good communication skills. For example, Sarah, a mom of 2, started as a virtual assistant charging $15 per hour. Within 6 months, she doubled her rate just by being reliable and learning new tools. The best part, you don't need a fancy degree. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr make it easy to find clients fast. Number 2. Teach what you know. Here's a little secret. You're probably better at something than you give yourself credit for, and people will pay to learn from you. Can you play guitar? Tutor kids in math? Speak Spanish? Teach yoga? Create an online course or offer one-on-one Zoom lessons. Platforms like Teachable and Skillshare let you upload your lessons. Tom, for example, turned his weekend guitar hobby into a course. Within a few months, he had over 200 students paying $50 each. You already know something others want to learn. That's your superpower. Number 3. Freelance writing or editing. Do you like telling stories or fixing typos? The internet runs on words, and someone has to write them. Freelance writers create blog posts, website content, product descriptions. Editors polish other people's work, and you can do this anywhere. A beginner can make around $20 per hour, and with experience, some writers charge over $100 per hour. Take Jenna. She started editing articles on weekends, then turned it into a full-time career working from home. You don't need to be Hemingway. Just clear writing and attention to detail. Number 4. Sell stuff without owning inventory. Sounds crazy, right? But that's the beauty of dropshipping. You set up an online store, list products you don't actually stock, and when a customer buys, a supplier ships it for you. You only pay for what you sell. Josh launched a dropshipping store selling pet accessories his first month, over $800 in profit, all while working his day job. Shopify and Etsy are great places to start. If you've got an eye for trends, this one can grow big, fast. Number 5. Print-on-demand creativity. If you've got creativity but no warehouse, this is your jam. You design artwork for t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, and when someone orders, a company prints and ships it. Platforms like Redbubble and Printful handle the hard stuff. Take Mia, a high school teacher who loved doodling. She uploaded her designs and now makes around $500 a month on the side. No upfront cost, no inventory, just your ideas. Number 6. Start a pet sitting or dog walking business. Here's one that's both fun and pays surprisingly well. People love their pets but can't always be home. That's where you come in. Sign up on Rover or Wag, and you can earn around $15 to $20 per walk, or more if you host pets overnight. Jason started pet sitting after work and now has regular clients paying him over $1,000 a month. If you love animals, this one hardly feels like work. Number 7. Sell handmade crafts. Got a knack for knitting, candle making, jewelry? People crave unique, handmade items. Etsy is the king of handmade goods. Claire, for example, started selling soy candles she made in her kitchen. Her side hustle grew into a 6-figure business. Even if you're just making an extra $200 a month, it feels good turning your hobby into cash. Number 8. Social media manager. If you're scrolling Instagram anyway, why not get paid for it? Small businesses often don't know how to grow their social media accounts, but you do. You can manage posts, engage with followers, run ads. 1. Beginner I know started charging $300 a month per client and picked up 5 clients in 3 months. If you're creative and know your way around hashtags, this hustle is a no-brainer. Number 9. Flip furniture or thrift finds. This one's perfect if you enjoy treasure hunts. you can find underpriced. Furniture, clothes, electronics at thrift stores or Facebook Marketplace. Clean them up, maybe fix them, and resell for a profit. Mark bought a beat-up dresser for $40, painted it, and sold it for $180. It takes some elbow grease, but it's super satisfying to watch your profits grow. Number 10. Start a YouTube or podcast channel. Yes, really. You don't need fancy equipment to start sharing your thoughts, stories, or tutorials. Ad revenue and sponsorships come later. But if you're consistent, it can grow into a serious income stream. For example, Emily started a podcast about baking from her kitchen table. Now she earns thousands every month. Your voice matters. Someone out there is waiting to hear your story. Number 11. Data entry jobs. If you prefer something simple and straightforward, this is for you. Many companies need help transferring data between systems. It doesn't pay the most, around $15 per hour to start, but it's steady, and you can do it while watching Netflix. Sites like Clickworker and Remote.co list plenty of these gigs. Number 12. Mystery shopping and user testing. Yes, you can get paid to shop. Companies pay you to test their websites, shop in their stores, and report your experience. Stephanie signed up with usertesting.com and earns $100 to $200 a month just testing websites in her free time. And mystery shoppers often get free meals, too. Number 13. Online transcription work. If you're a good listener and can type quickly, transcription could be your side hustle. You'll listen to audio files and type them into text. It's as simple as it sounds. Websites like Rev and TranscribeMe offer plenty of beginner-friendly gigs. Some people earn around $200 to $500 a month just typing in their free time. It's perfect if you like quiet, focused work. Number 14. Become a proofreader. Do you notice grammar mistakes everywhere? That could actually make you money. Many writers, bloggers, and businesses hire proofreaders to polish their work before publishing. Sites like Proofreading Pal and Scribendi are great places to start. Anna, a teacher, started proofreading part-time and now earns an extra $700 every month. If you're detail-oriented, this is an easy one to pick up. Number 15. Rent out your stuff. You probably have things lying around that you barely use, but others will pay to borrow. Bikes, cameras, power tools, even your driveway space can be rented. Sites like Fat Llama and Neighbor make it easy to list and earn. Jake started renting his camera equipment on weekends and now makes $150 a week without lifting a finger. Look around your house. You might be sitting on a gold mine. Number 16. Start a resume writing service. Everyone needs a good resume, but not everyone knows how to write one. If you're good with words and know what employers are looking for, this is a high-demand gig. Even charging just $50 per resume can add up fast. Samantha wrote resumes for her friends at first, then started charging online. She now earns over $1,000 a month. People will always need help landing their dream job, and you can be the one to help them. Number 17. Create and sell digital products. If you're creative, why not sell something that doesn't even need shipping? Think printables, digital planners, ebooks, or stock photos. You create it once and sell it over and over. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad are perfect for this. Melissa made a set of printable wedding planners and now earns around $300 a month on autopilot. It's a great way to build passive income over time. Number 18. Voiceover work. Did you know your voice could earn you money? Businesses need voices for ads, YouTube videos, audiobooks, and more. You don't even need a professional studio, just a quiet room and a decent microphone. Sites like voices.com connect beginners with clients. Tony started reading audiobooks in his spare time and now earns a steady stream of side income. If people tell you you've got a nice voice, give this one a try. Number 19. Start a blog. Blogging isn't dead. In fact, it's still one of the best ways to earn money from home. You can write about anything you're passionate about: cooking, parenting, finance, fitness, and monetize with ads and affiliate links. It takes time, but the payoff can be huge. Rachel started a frugal living blog and now earns over $3,000 a month just from her home office. It's a great way to share your story and build a steady income stream. Number 20. Translation services. If you speak more than one language, you can offer translation services right from your laptop. Businesses and individuals need documents, websites, and even emails translated every day. Sites like Praz and Django make it easy to find work. Carlos, fluent in Spanish and English, makes an extra $800 a month translating part-time. Your language skills could be your most valuable asset. Number 21. Test apps and games. Companies want feedback on their apps and games before launching them, and they're willing to pay you for your opinion. Platforms like Playtest Cloud and beta testing connect testers with developers. Nick spends an hour or two a week testing mobile games and makes around $100 a month. Plus, he gets to play before anyone else. It's fun, easy, and perfect for beginners. The truth is, you don't need to be an expert or have a ton of money to start a side hustle. You just need to take the first step, and the options are endless. So, which of these side hustles would you love to try first? Or do you already have a favorite that's working for you? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious to see which one speaks to you most.